Hello guys, this is Vauxhall Zafira 2012 1.7 CDTI. So it's a very common issue. It's RPMs are just going up and down, just which I will show you in a minute. It seems like a very common issue. You'll see just starting from the very cold start. And now I can see there's another thing, the glow plugs after having washed. Well, we'll see, hopefully that will disappear. I'll show you. You'll see, you can see it's going up and down. But it gets worse. At some random times it just goes really bad. It gets really bad. So what I'm planning to do today, I'm planning to change this bit. That's kind of a fuel regulator, and it's a cheap one which you get from eBay, about £15-20. Comes with these two things like seal and suction control valve. That's what it is, and I'll show you how to change it, and after that hopefully that should get rid of this issue. But previously I had the same issue with another car, and it's fixed. The problem is another problem started, like it was just stalling the car by itself. After a few minutes you start the car, there's no issue, RPMs were stable. After that and it just started another problem, so I'm going to check if it's going to do the same thing.